Dear students, yesterday we have derived the relation for LCR circuit connected to an AC source and using phasor diagram. ये हमने कल डिराइव किया था और उसमें हमने क्या क्या देखा था कल हमने ये LCR सर्किट देखा था. We have derived the relation that is V by I is equal to under root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Okay, XL minus XC whole square we have derived. Then this V by I we have taken as what? Z. Z is called as what? Impedance. Z is equal to, we have seen, R square plus XL minus XC whole square. ये हमने कल डिराइव किया था. फर्दर वी हैव सीन दैट I is equal to V by Z. Means now in general case इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में I is equal to V by R है, मगर यहाँ पर क्या है, R की जगह में क्या यूज़ करेंगे? Z. What is Z? Impedance. Means it is an alternate form of resistance in case of an LCR circuit. So LCR circuit में जो resistance है, it is called as what? It is denoted by impedance. यहाँ तक हमने कल डिराइव कर लिया था. So अभी हम देखेंगे नेक्स्ट है अपना फेज एंगल. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द फेज एंगल phi. So how to find out the phase angle phi? So yesterday we have taken the phasor diagram like this. In this phasor diagram we have seen that this is O, B and this is A. Okay, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis and this is the z-axis we have considered. And here this is taken as V, this is phi, this is VR and this is VL minus VC. ओके अगर ये OA VL माइनस VC है तो दिस BC this will also become what? VL minus VC. So now if I have to calculate the value of phase, so from right angle triangle OBC, if we consider the right angle triangle OBC, what we'll see? This OBC we can take this as what? Tan of phi. Tan phi is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to what? Opposite by base. Okay, opposite by base. So we'll write here CB divided by OC. What is the value of CB? CB is taken as what? VL minus VC. What is OC? VR. Okay, means this phi, if I have to, this is the tan of phi. So if I have to calculate the phi, so phi will become what? Tan inverse of VL minus VC by VR. तो ये हो गया अपना फेज एंगल. सो फेज एंगल कैसे निकाला हमने? फेज एंगल के लिए हमने फेजर डायग्राम देखा और दिस phi is the phase angle. So when phi is the phase angle, so from this particular case we will take tan of phi. So tan of phi if we'll take, it will become CB by OC. So what is CB? CB is VL minus VC and OC is what? VR. So if I have to calculate the value of phi, send this tan to second side, so it will become a tan inverse of this one. So this is the phase angle for the LCR circuit when it is connected to an AC source. क्लियर हो गया. अभी हमको कुछ स्पेशल केसेस देखने हैं. अभी नाउ वन मोर थिंग, वी हैव नॉट सीन द, वी हैव जस्ट सीन इम्पीडेंस Z. Z इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, V बाई आई. इम्पिडेंस हमने क्या देखा है, Z इज इक्वल टू V डिवाइडेड बाय I. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट इज इम्पिडेंस. ओके, इम्पिडेंस क्या है एंड व्हाट आर द स्पेशल केसेस फॉर द केस ऑफ डेरिवेशन, ये देखना है. सो इम्पिडेंस मीन्स व्हाट, it is defined as, impedance is what, defined as the ratio of VRMS, value of voltage across the LCR circuit, and the RMS value of the current flowing through it. So we'll write Z is equal to VRMS divided by IRMS. So what is VRMS? VRMS indicates that RMS value of the voltage, okay, across the series LCR circuit. And what is IRMS? Current flowing through the, RMS value is the RMS value of the current flowing through the LCR circuit. So Z is given by what, VRMS by IRMS. So impedance is defined as the ratio of RMS value of the voltage across the LCR circuit and RMS वैल्यू ऑफ द करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू इट. क्लियर हो गया. तो ये हो गया अपना डेफिनेशन ऑफ इम्पिडेंस. नाउ इम्पिडेंस, व्हाट इज द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ इम्पिडेंस? एसआई यूनिट इज ओम. SI unit is what, ohm. Now we'll see the special cases for the case of what we have derived the relation yesterday for the impedance. That is the Z is equal to under root of R square plus XL minus XC होल स्क्वायर. ओके, तो इसका स्पेशल केस हमको देखना है. तो फर्स्ट स्पेशल केस इज दैट व्हेन XL is equal to XC. Now what do you mean by XL is equal to XC? XL is equal to XC means inductive resistance and capacitive resistance are equal. Okay, when XL is equal to XC, तब क्या होगा? अभी XL is equal to XC है तो फेज एंगल क्या हो जाएगा? फेज एंगल थीटा is equal to VL minus VC. This will become what? 0. क्लियर हो गया? So this will become what? 0. Now how this will be there? Because we know that VL, if we substitute this, VL can be written as what? I into XL. What is VC? VC is equal to I into XC. VL is equal to I into XL and VC is equal to I into XC. And what is VR? VR is equal to what? I into R. VR is equal to what? I into R. So VL value is I into XL, VC value is I into XC, VR value is I into R. These values, if you substitute in this equation phase for finding out the phase, so theta phi की जगह में अगर हम पुट कर देते हैं, so what will happen to this? Phi is equal to tan inverse of I into XL minus I into XC divided by I into R. So what will happen here? I is common, so it will get cancelled. In the numerator if I will take I common, denominator में भी common, तो I क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो मेरे पास क्या बचेगा? phi is equal to tan inverse of XL minus XC divided by R. ये कंडीशन कब होगा? फाई के केस में ये होगा. और इफ इन दिस कंडीशन इफ आई विल टेक XL is equal to XC, if XL and XC are equal, what will happen to the value of phi? Phi will become 0 degree because XL minus XC is 0. Tan inverse of 0 is what? 0. So in the first case, when XL is equal to XC, then phase angle will become 0, means phase difference between voltage and current is 0. Then what will happen to Z? इम्पीडेंस का वैल्यू क्या होगा, इम्पीडेंस इज इक्वल टू वी नो आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एक्सएल माइनस एक्सी होल स्क्वायर। एक्सएल एंड एक्सी व्हेन दे आर इक्वल, तो वैल्यू विल बिकम व्हाट, z इज इक्वल टू, दे बोथ आर इक्वल, सो दिस विल बिकम 0। सो क्या बचेगा अपने पास, सिर्फ आर स्क्वायर, तो स्क्वायर एंड रूट विल गेट कैंसल, सो व्हाट विल गेट हियर आर। सो फ्रॉम दिस रिलेशन व्हाट वी कंक्लूड, व्हेन xl is equal to xc means inductive reactance and capacitive reactance, when both are equal then phase will become what, 0, phase angle will become, and z will become r. So when z is equal to r means what that circuit is called, pure resistive circuit. वो circuit को क्या कहेंगे, pure resistive circuit. Okay.